Design in the 4-piece set here for you guys. The design is absolutely gorgeous. You've got your 13-inch vanity case on this one, 360 wheels, and then inside for you then, you have your adjustable strap there, you have your mesh pocket and your back divider like so. Then you also have your 20-inch overhead cabin case. TSA approved locks there, and then inside again for you, you have your adjustable strap there, mesh pocket and the back divider as well. And that also what it looks like inside the 24-inch and the 28-inch as well, okay? This is just £108, guys, down from 150 today until 3 o'clock, okay? So get those amazing deals now.